It's spring and the hummingbirds have been busy. In fact, here's one. She's been busy all week. She building a nest, hanging on the wire, and I'm a little concerned. It doesn't look all that sturdy, but I'm hoping I may do a little bit of tape assist. But anyway, she's been working all week, getting it ready. It's the same chain. There was a hummingbird nest in the sleeve. I don't know, maybe it's the mother, same mother, or it could be one of the eggs that hatched. I don't know. But let's see what it looks like right now. Well, she flew off. Let's see what I could see. It's not exactly the most whoops, aesthetic looking thing here. Let's see here. There. Oh, that's funny. It kind of looks like a profile of a bird with an eye. And you see the head on the right. That's weird. But let's see if we can get a look at what it looks like inside. It's so tiny. It's so very, very tiny. But it's interesting how the looks like kind of a sideways sculpture. Little eye on the right, a little beakish. Well, she's still busy, so move out of the way.